Hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We continue onward with our mission. So here I want to be able to delete one of these, but I kind of like these guys. So let's just add a third one that we can delete. Just say to be deleted. That is the title. Let's save that. So that's the category to be deleted. And let's click on delete. And this is what we get. So categories delete. So the link looks about right, but then it's saying call to a member function category on no. What's this error all about? So it's saying that we're trying to call a function, and the function we're trying to call is category, this one right here. So let's check it out. So this is the function it's saying we're trying to call on a no. So which means this guy is a no. A no is when we don't get no results, so we end up having a no value in here. So this brings up a very good point. We have to be able to avoid such errors by putting if statements. So we're going to play around with that by changing the IDs here manually, because people can do that and then see what breaks. But for now, this is only happening because our code is wrong. So let's go to the categories function once more, and let's go down to where it says delete. So the delete case here is right there. So delete and right here. So at this point, we just want the view part to show. So delete post. We want this to be delete category. Delete category like that, and let's change the title as well to delete category. Let's use the one with the cap lock here. Okay, so at this point we don't need no categories in there. We just need the page title and the role itself. Great. For now we will ignore this part and just deal with this. We don't need the category. The role must retrieve a category from the category class. So let's put the category class here. Let's change post to category as well. Yes, category. So we find it, yes. So we need a contingency plan if this is not found, right? But for now it will always be found because we are getting real IDs. So category, find, redirect. Okay, this should redirect to categories afterwards, after posting. And so now we need to create the delete category view. So no problem, we just copy from the delete post.blade.php. Copy everything from there, right click, new file, paste, save. Let's click on the delete and let's change post to category. Is it singular? It is. So as usual, we will remove what we do not need. Here, the back button should go to categories, of course. We start from there. Then let's go to, we don't need no images, so outer here, my friend. Post title should, as always, go to category name, and let's change our instances of title to instances of category. Let's see if there's any more left. No. Category with a Y. Okay, pretty cool. Now the placeholder, of course, has to be changed as well to category name. Oops, what did I do? There we go. Category name. Cool. So let's go back and see the beauty we have created. All right, so delete category. Are you sure you want to delete this category? Should be category here, of course. Let's put a break tag as well that here. So are you sure you want to delete this category like so? Good. Refresh. Okay, there we go. To be deleted. Category name to be deleted. Let's go back. Let's click delete. Okay, we are in business. Now, if I click delete, I want to be sure that something good will happen. I don't want World War III to start once I click that button. So let me make sure I have the right code. This looks rather simple. So row, delete, return, redirect. Very easy peasy. So it's going to happen. Click. There we go. To be deleted. But we may have a problem if, let's say, on the edit, I click edit, and you see there's an ID here. So what if somebody thought, what if I add an ID that's just bonkers and doesn't really exist? So I'll just type something random, click, and look at that. It still discerned the number from there. Awesomeness. However, let's try an actual number, or let's just put letters completely. Let's see what happens. Oopsie, we get an error. That same error again, category unknown. So let's go to the edit here and see what we can do about this. So what it's really complaining about is that after the wait a minute, it doesn't look like there's reason to complain at all. So let me see, what is it complaining? Attempt to read property category unknown. Which line exactly is this? This one right here. Okay, so it's complaining in the view itself that we have a problem there. Okay, so what we can do is, let's see here. I want to know what data type the row is when there's no result. So I'm going to use var dump because it includes the data type. So I'll put die there so that once we get our result, we don't bother with the view, so we don't get this error. So refresh, and it says no. Okay, that's pretty good because I can work with that. So here, if I give you a row that is empty, I should handle it in the view end of things. So this is the edit. So let's go to edit category.blade, and we shouldn't display any of this if we didn't find what we are looking for. But I kind of like these guys to remain. The page title up to maybe just the form. Yeah. So let's make sure the form does not show if we don't have the right data. So let's put some PHP tags and let's just say if row. So this will be false if this is no, this is not going to work. So good. So I'm going to copy this, click on the form to make sure I find its closing cousin, and right here I will put that and say end if. So end if like so. Okay. Right here on the end if, I will put an else statement, else full colon like so. So here you have to remember that this is full colon, this is semicolon. So here I will just put a div of some kind and just say, sorry, could not find that category. Have you ever noticed that computer messages always act like they are running out of words to use? For example, sorry, could not find. Instead of saying we could not find, or we could not find, or I don't know, the category, that category was not found or something, you just say could not find, as if there's a limit on words. Anyway, refresh and there we go. Sorry, could not find that category. Now we need to give the user an option to back out. So maybe you can put a back button here by just copying the contents of this and putting it right above here. So I could put break tags on both sides here, like I saw. Break tags. And we might as well change the div to an H4 or something, just so the text is slightly bigger. Okay, sorry, could not find that category. No problem. Back, yes. So back again, edit. We have that, and let's add something we don't have, maybe a large number. And sorry, could not find that category. So we need that kind of resilience in posts as well. And let's go to add new. So add new doesn't need that doesn't have that problem, because yeah, it's add new. Okay, pretty cool. So now we can delete, and also the delete needs this. Let's do that, and we have that error again. So exactly what we've done here is just a matter of copying. I'll copy this that goes after the form, and I'll go to the delete category dot blade, just put that after the form. Go back to edit at the top here and do the if statement as well. Copy that, come above the form, paste. Okay, so I've just opened the wrong program. Yeah, there we go. Are you sure you want to delete? Maybe we shouldn't be asking that question if we couldn't find it. Yes. So let's just move this above the question, like so. Problemo solved. Refresh. There we go. Sorry, could not find that category. Back. Okay, so awesomeness. Yes, very good. I will see you in the next video.